going on, guys? So it's been a while since I updated or posted a video or anything like that. I'm sitting in 2018 car, Lumina. This video is going to be basically how to make a cable shifter using stock parts, stock cable, and basically free with minimum tools. I mean, the only tools I really used for this was a grinder and a welder, which the welder I used is just a little crappy one, so the welds look like crap, but they hold. So I'm going to show you exactly how I did it, how you can do it with the parts that are available to you for free and or cheap. And this is the shifter itself. Like I said, the welds look like crap, but look at the shifter itself. Like I said, it's your regular cable shifter. It's got the park lockout, which is just a nut. I mean, simple as loosening the nut. 1 second. Loosen the nut, pull it back into reverse. Tighten the nut back up. Can't go back in the park. Got this bolt here to stop it from going past park or past drive, so it's just reverse. 2 clicks, neutral, drive, neutral, reverse. And the way this is used with a wired transmission, so it'll always be in first gear, unless I put on a toggle where you can flip it to second gear. So basically, how I went about doing this was I had an 1/8" plate laying around. Let's look at a picture of how basically it looked. Cut out what I needed for the plate. Cut out a piece for a handle. I just wrapped bale twine around the handle and then black taped over it to give it some padding. I'll show you how this goes together. 1 second, let me loosen this back up real quick. Pop this off. Okay, pop this out. Kind of what I can do with one hand. So basically this is the shifter itself. So what I did, this used parts that I already had is, so on the column itself, the factory bracket for the cable shifter here, all I did was just cut off the part that actually holds the shifter bracket itself, which then was just welded onto a little spacer plate to put it even. And then for to attach the cable, what I did is I just took off of the actual factory shifter, just took a sawzall and cut so I could pop out the little, I guess I don't know what you'd call it, but that little pin there, drill the hole, weld it on the back side. And then, like I said, I use the factory mounting point. It's simple as, sliding it in, popping it on, and that's really all it is. And the big thing with doing it yourself is figuring out the spacing. The first time I did it, you can see on the back, the first hole I did was too far forward, so for it to be in drive, the shifter park was about right here. So drive was, back here somewhere, so I had to adjust the bolt in the bottom. And all I did for the bolt for the handle is I got a lock washer on the back, or a lock nut in the back, a nut in between to space it out, and then nut on the inside so that it can still move freely on its own. Nothing catches. It goes good and free like it should. And this was free to me. We had the plate laying around, we had welder, and it's just the factory cable. All I did was undid it at the column, pulled it through the firewall, and then up over the hood, and it's got plenty of slack. It's not tight or anything like that, so it's got plenty of slack. Like I said, it locks in place. ain't gonna go nowhere. Works flawless. But yeah, that's how you make a cable shifter for a W body for free or cheap. And then I just have it hose or exhaust clamped to my center bar for now. I don't know if I'm gonna leave it that way. I mean, it's not going anywhere. It's tight, but so yeah, that's how you build it and save yourself a bunch of money. I mean, like I said, this cost me next to nothing using the parts that were on the car. Cut that off, cut that out. But yep, so that's how you do it.